Anime fight videos like these are blowing up on social media right now, and I found a tool that lets you make them in minutes. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make them yourself. Here's what I made in less than 10 minutes. So to get started, head over to ChatGPT and click Explore GPTs in the left sidebar. Search for Anime Fight Generator and choose mine. It should be the first result. Hit Start Chat, then click to start the generator. It's going to give you 10 different anime fight scene concepts to choose from. You can pick a number, type your own idea, or say more for more options. I'm going to go with number 9. Once it's loaded, the GPT will give you 5 prompts, one for the first fighter, one for the second fighter, one for the location, one for the storyboard sequence, and one for the video. So just copy the first image prompt and head over to Topview AI. The link's in the description. Now, if you haven't used Topview before, it brings all the best image and video models together in one place. And I'm showing you 2 features that make this whole workflow click. In Topview AI, go to Image, then Text to Image. Make sure GPT Image 2 is selected as the model. Paste your prompt in the prompt box, set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and resolution to 2K, choose how many images you want, and hit Generate. And while that's loading, go back to the GPT and copy the second fighter prompt, paste it into Topview and hit Generate again. Then go back to the GPT one more time, copy the location prompt, paste it in, but this time change the aspect ratio to 16:9 and hit Generate. Here's how mine came out. Look at the detail on these. The stormy arena, the flying petals, the glowing blades. It genuinely looks like a scene from a high-budget anime. Now simply download the location and fighter images you like best, then go to Image in the left sidebar, then Storyboard. Under Reference Images, click Upload and add the images you just downloaded. Go back to the GPT, copy the storyboard prompt, and paste it into the prompt box. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9, make sure you're on GPT Image 2, 2K resolution, 9 key moments, and 15 seconds for the duration. Then hit Generate. Here's what my storyboard looks like. It opens with a wide establishing shot of the arena, then the 2 fighters squaring off, then the clash begins, and it ends with that massive energy explosion. I love it. If you're happy with it, download the storyboard, then go back to the Topview homepage. Click on Agent in the left sidebar, click Reference, and add your storyboard as the reference image. Go back to the GPT for the last time and copy the video agent prompt. Paste it into the prompt box, then delete the Add Image placeholder. Type Add Image and select your storyboard from the options. For the video model, choose Seedance 2.0. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Select your quality. I'm going with 720p to save credits, and set the duration to 15 seconds. Then hit Generate. Once it loads, the video agent will give you a prompt optimized for Seedance 2.0. You can use the prompt, generate a storyboard, or go straight to video. I'm clicking Generate Video. Once it's ready, you've got a complete anime fight scene from scratch. 2 characters, a custom arena, fully animated, ready to go viral, all done in less than 10 minutes. You can even extend the clip if you want to keep the story going. Just type something like, write an extension video prompt where the world blows up, and the agent gives you a prompt that continues the scene. Then just copy it, click the button next to the video, hit Extend Clip, paste the prompt in, match your video duration, mine was 10 seconds, and generate. And here's what the extended clip looks like. Now simply click on Export, choose Full Video, then start export, and you're ready to go viral. And it's that simple. Here's another video I made using this method. And here's a quick tip for you guys. Make sure you use the storyboard and the video agent together. The storyboard gives the AI the visual layout, and the agent optimizes the prompt for Seedance 2.0. So you're not guessing, you're getting the best possible output every time. In Topview are running a promotion now, where if you subscribe to their Ultra plan, you get Seedance 2.0 free for 14 days. Also, GPT Image 2 and Nano Banana are free for a whole year, which is kind of insane. All the links you need are in the description, including my viral faceless formula guide on how I hit $1,000 a month with YouTube in under 2 months. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next viral AI niche. See you in the next one.